The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest on Earth, stretching across 9 South American countries and covering more than 5.5 million square kilometers. This vast ecosystem contains the greatest concentration of wildlife anywhere on the planet. Scientists estimate that 1 in every 10 known species on Earth lives here. For millions of years, the Amazon has evolved into a complex and highly competitive environment where every species plays a role in maintaining the balance of the forest. At sunrise, the rainforest begins to awaken. Warm air rises through layers of dense vegetation, while humidity builds beneath the canopy. The forest is divided into several levels. The emergent layer contains the tallest trees, some reaching over 60 meters high. Below that is the canopy, a thick green roof where most rainforest animals live. Underneath lies the understory, where filtered sunlight creates dark, humid conditions filled with insects, reptiles, and predators. At ground level, decomposition happens rapidly. Fallen plants and animals are quickly broken down by fungi, insects, and bacteria, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. The Amazon River is the central artery of this rainforest system. At over 6,400 kilometers long, it is one of the longest rivers in the world and carries more fresh water than any other river on Earth. Its flooded forests create unique habitats where wildlife has adapted to seasonal changes in water levels. During the wet season, large sections of forest become submerged. Fish swim between tree trunks, while river dolphins move through flooded woodland searching for prey. One of the most recognizable aquatic predators here is the black caiman. Growing over 5 meters long, it is the largest predator in the Amazon basin. Black caimans hunt fish, birds, mammals, and sometimes even other reptiles. They rely on patience rather than speed, often remaining motionless near riverbanks before launching sudden attacks. Far from the water, another predator dominates the rainforest floor. The jaguar is the largest big cat in the Americas and one of the most powerful hunters in the rainforest. Unlike many cats, jaguars are strong swimmers and frequently hunt near rivers and wetlands. Their bite force is exceptionally powerful, capable of piercing turtle shells and caiman skulls. Jaguars are ambush predators. Instead of chasing prey over long distances, they move silently through dense vegetation and strike with precision from close range. Their spotted coats provide natural camouflage among shifting light and shadows beneath the forest canopy. Despite their strength, jaguars are rarely seen by humans. Most of the time, they remain hidden deep within isolated regions of the forest. Higher in the canopy, life moves constantly. Several species of monkeys live in the Amazon, each adapted to different parts of the forest. The howler monkey is known for producing one of the loudest calls in the animal kingdom. Its deep vocalizations can travel several kilometers through dense jungle. Howler monkeys use these calls to communicate territory and avoid conflict with neighboring groups. Nearby, spider monkeys move rapidly through the treetops, using long limbs and prehensile tails that function almost like an extra hand. The rainforest canopy also supports thousands of bird species. Among the most powerful is the harpy eagle. With massive talons and extraordinary vision, harpy eagles hunt monkeys, sloths, and large birds high above the forest floor. Their size and strength place them among the top aerial predators of the Amazon. The rainforest is also home to some of the most specialized reptiles and amphibians on Earth. The green anaconda is one of the heaviest snakes ever recorded. Living mainly in swamps and slow-moving rivers, Anacondas spend much of their time hidden underwater. They are non-venomous constrictors, overpowering prey by wrapping powerful coils around the body and restricting blood flow and breathing. Another famous Amazon species is the poison dart frog. These small amphibians produce toxic chemicals through their skin as a defense against predators. Their bright colors serve as warning signals in the rainforest. Interestingly, scientists believe the frogs obtain many of these toxins from insects in their natural diet. Insects form the foundation of rainforest life. The Amazon contains millions of insect species, many still undiscovered. Leafcutter ants are among the most organized. Rather than eating leaves directly, they use pieces of vegetation to cultivate fungus inside underground colonies. Entire ant highways can stretch across the forest floor as workers transport leaf fragments many times their own size. Army ants move in enormous hunting swarms, consuming insects and small animals in coordinated attacks. Their movement forces hidden creatures out into the open, attracting birds that follow the swarms to feed on escaping prey. As daylight fades, the rainforest changes again. Nocturnal species begin to emerge while daytime animals retreat into shelter. The sounds of insects intensify. Tree frogs call from flooded vegetation, while bats spread through the canopy, searching for fruit and insects. Predators become more active under cover of darkness. The Amazon at night operates very differently from the forest seen during the day. For many animals, darkness provides safety. For others, it creates the perfect conditions for hunting. Despite its scale and biodiversity, the Amazon faces increasing pressure from deforestation, mining, agriculture, and wildfires. Large areas of rainforest are cleared every year, reducing habitat for countless species. Scientists warn that continued destruction could permanently alter rainfall patterns across South America and affect global climate systems. The Amazon rainforest stores enormous amounts of carbon and plays a major role in regulating Earth's atmosphere. Protecting this ecosystem is not only about saving wildlife, it is also connected to the future stability of the planet itself. The Amazon remains one of the last truly vast wilderness regions on Earth, a place where evolution continues to shape life in extraordinary ways. From the forest floor to the highest canopy, every layer contains species uniquely adapted to survive in one of the most competitive ecosystems ever formed. Even today, new plants and animals are still being discovered here, and many parts of the rainforest remain scientifically unexplored. The Amazon is not simply a jungle, it is one of the most important living systems on Earth.